What's up, guys? Okay, y'all, today I'm going to pretend that I'm getting ready for a date, but I'm going to use all my Goodwill finds that I have shopped for these past couple of trips, including a new a hair, what is it, curling iron thing. And I'm going to come up with a look or several looks, and I'm going to share with you guys. So this is my pretend date again. Where you at, date? Where's the real date at, though? Let's get started. That's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. If y'all haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If y'all like this video, go ahead and hook me up with a thumbs up. See you guys next video. Deuces.